Yekola anglais na ba conversation. Hello, is that the Holiday Inn?
Hello, when is a Holiday Inn?
Yes, it is. How can I help you, sir?
Ndenge nini nakoki kosunga yo, monsieur?
I wanna book a room for the 15th.
Nalingi nasala réservation ya chambre pona le 15.
Sure. What sort of room do you want?
Ok. Lulenge ya chambre nini olingi?
Single room, please, for 5 days.
Chambre kaka pona moto moko, pona mikolo mitano.
Rent for the room is $60 a day.
Kofutela yango ekozala $60 pona mokolo.
Okay, no problems.
Likambo te.
We'll make the booking, sir. Someone will call you up from the hotel later and confirm it.
Azosalela yo réservation. Moto moko na hotel akobenga yo na pokwa po a confirmer yango.
Okay.
Ok, likambo te.
Hi, I have a reservation for tonight.
Allô, nazali na réservation pona butu ya lelo.
May I have your name, please?
Nakoki kozwa kombo na yo, s'il vous plaît?
My name is John Smith.
Kombo na ngai ezali John Smith.
Okay, mister. According to our records, a room for 2 guests was booked under your name.
Ok, monsieur John. Na makomami na biso awa, ezali na chambre ya bato mibale oyo ezalaki réservé na kombo na yo.
No, hold on. There must be some mistake. I only booked a room for one person.
Oh, zela nano. Namoni erreur ezali wana. Ngai nasalaki réservation kaka ya pona moto moko.
Okay, let me check again. Here we are. Your booking is for the 19th, right?
Ah, ok. Namoni. Réservation na yo ezalaki pona le 19. Bongo te?
Yes, exactly.
Bongo penza.
I am sorry. There must have been some confusion. Luckily, we have a single room available. You can use the room 309.
Ah, bolimbisi. Ezalaki na mwa confusion moko esalamaki. Heureusement, ozali na chambre moko pe o ezali libre. Okoki kosalela chambre 309.
Thank you.
Matondi, merci mingi. Ba vocabulaire oyo toyekoli.
How can I help you, sir?
Ndenge nini nakoki kosunga yo, monsieur? To help. Kosunga. Help. Lisungi. To book. Ko-réserver. To book. To book. Booking. Réservation. Booking. Réservation. Okoki pe ko-réserver ticket ya avion. Booking a plane ticket. To book a plane ticket. A single room. A single room. Chambre pona moto moko kaka. Chambre pona moto moko kaka. A rent for the room. Location ya chambre. A rent for the room. Location ya chambre. Rent. Location. I am renting. Nazo loué. Money for rent. Mbongo ya ko loué. I rent an apartment. Naluaka appartement. To naluaka flat. I rent an apartment.
According to our records, a room for 2 guests was booked under your name.
Our records. According to our record. According. Morning like si c'est long.
according to our record, selon registre na biso. Records, registre. Donc, selon registre na biso, tomoni ke chambre, il y a 2 personnes. Donc, chambre, il y a 2 personnes. 2 guest room. Chambre pour na batomi balé. Chambre pour na batomi balé. Ezwamaki na kombo na yo. Donc, chambre ya batomi balé. Ezwamaki na kombo na yo. Guest, mopaya. Guest, mopaya. Soki eza na pluriel oche s na suka guests. Guest linkoluba mopaya. Booked under your name. Booked under your name. Ezwamaki na kombo na yo. That room was booked under your name. Chambre wana ezwamaki na kombo na yo.
No, hold on. There must be some mistake. I only booked a room for 1 person.
Hold on. Zela nanu. To hold on, kozelisa. Ozo zelisa mutu. To hold on, kozela. To hold on. Hold eza kosimba. On eza préposition. Mais so basangisi yango epesaka sens ya kozela. Hold on. Zela nanu. There must be some mistake. Mistake. Erreur. Libunga. Erreur to libunga. A mistake. Erreur.